Are you ready to transform your beautiful Procreate illustrations into scalable vector art? First, let's get your Procreate illustration ready. Open your artwork in Procreate. Make sure your artwork is finished and save. Then, tap the wrench icon to reveal the Actions menu. Choose Share, and then select PSD. This will export your illustration with all the layers intact. This is super important. Next, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Go to File, and then pick Open. Navigate to where you save the PSD file from Procreate. Select it and click Open. Illustrator will open your illustration, preserving your layers from Procreate. Now, let's trace your image to make a vector. With the Layers panel open, you'll likely see a single layer with the PSD import. Select your image in the workspace or the layer in the Layers panel in the top menu bar. Go to Object and then to Image Trace, and then select Make and Expand. This opens up a whole world of options. Notice that Illustrator has a default setting for image tracing. You can change the preset to get a different look. For example, try the High Fidelity Photo or the 16 Colors preset to see the different results. You'll then notice your image has become a vector illustration, built from smooth paths. You can now scale and edit without losing quality and expand all those different colors. If you want to refine any areas, simply select Direct Selection tool, which has a cursor of a white arrow. Select the paths, and use the node tools to fine-tune your vector lines. You can also adjust the Smooth tool to smoothen out the path. And just like that, you've turned your Procreate artwork into scalable vector art. Now you can scale it up for larger projects, or use it for professional printing. Congratulations! This is just the beginning. Make sure to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials.